Comparing two software options side by side. An AI voice continues from here.
When it comes to pricing, Markets.com does not operate on a traditional published fee table with clearly itemized costs up front. Instead, the platform positions itself heavily around promotional incentives, rather than fixed, openly displayed pricing. Rather than emphasizing standard spread or commission schedules on its main pricing pages, Markets.com highlights first deposit promotions, bonuses, rebates, and reward programs designed to attract new clients. These offers often include deposit-based bonuses, first trade incentives, and trading rebates that scale based on trading volume, all governed by specific terms and conditions. Because of this structure, the true cost of trading on Markets.com is primarily embedded within spreads, overnight financing charges, and instrument-specific costs, rather than presented as transparent, line-by-line pricing. Traders should understand that promotional bonuses are typically not withdrawable as cash until predefined trading volume requirements are met. While bonuses can often be used for margin support or to offset losses, they generally cannot be withdrawn directly, meaning they function more like conditional trading credit rather than actual account equity. This makes Markets.com appear attractive at the entry stage, but requires careful attention to bonus conversion rules to avoid misunderstandings later. Feature-wise, Markets.com is built as a multi-asset CFD trading platform aimed at retail traders who prioritize simplicity and broad market exposure. Users can trade Forex, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, and bonds from a single environment. The platform supports web-based trading, mobile applications, and MetaTrader integration for traders who prefer a more traditional execution setup. It also includes built-in charting tools, technical indicators, economic calendars, sentiment data, and core risk management features, such as stop loss and take profit order. There is a strong emphasis on accessibility and user experience, with clean interface design, relatively fast onboarding, and educational material geared toward newer traders. Markets.com also focuses heavily on leveraged CFD trading, allowing traders to control larger positions with smaller capital, which can amplify both potential gains and potential losses. On the pro side, Markets.com offers an easy entry experience, attractive promotional incentives, a polished and beginner-friendly interface, and access to a wide range of global CFD markets from a single platform. It suits traders who want convenience, visual clarity, and a streamlined trading workflow. On the con side, pricing transparency is limited, with most trading costs embedded in spreads rather than clearly published pricing tables. Bonus structures can be restrictive, withdrawals may be tied to trading volume requirements, and more advanced traders may find the platform less flexible or customizable than execution-focused or institutional-style trading solutions. For traders who prioritize precise cost control and execution efficiency, the promotional pricing model may feel less predictable than commission-based alternatives, especially over longer-term or higher volume trading strategies.
BlackBull Markets takes a very different approach to pricing by clearly structuring its offering around ECN-style account tiers rather than promotions or bonuses. The ECN standard account is designed as the entry-level option, offering spreads from around 0.8 pips with no commission per side and no minimum deposit requirement. This makes it accessible while still maintaining an ECN execution model rather than a purely market maker structure. For traders seeking tighter pricing, the ECN Prime account reduces spreads to as low as 0 pips, while charging a commission of $3 per side. This account is positioned as the most popular option, balancing raw pricing with professional execution standards. At the top end, the ECN institutional account targets high-volume traders by offering spreads from 0 pips with a lower $2 commission per side, though it requires a significantly higher minimum deposit of $20,000. This pricing structure makes BlackBull's costs easier to model and forecast, particularly for active traders who track per-trade expenses closely. There are no trading bonuses used to offset pricing, meaning profitability and cost control are directly linked to spreads and commissions rather than promotional conditions. Feature-wise, BlackBull Markets is built around execution quality and professional trading infrastructure. The broker provides access to deep liquidity, pools, low latency order routing, and ECN execution suitable for scalpers, algorithmic traders, and high-frequency strategies. Support for MetaTrader platforms, advanced order types, VPS hosting, and institutional-grade market access reinforces its execution-first positioning. BlackBull also offers access to a wide range of instruments across Forex, indices, commodities, equities, and cryptocurrencies, while maintaining an emphasis on speed, reliability, and trade consistency. Educational resources and platform support exist, but the overall experience is geared toward traders who already understand market mechanics and want pricing precision. On the pro side, BlackBull delivers transparent ECN pricing, strong execution quality, tiered accounts that scale with trading volume, and infrastructure that supports professional strategies. Its cost structure is predictable and well suited for traders who prioritize efficiency and measurable performance. On the con side, the platform may feel less beginner-friendly, with fewer promotional incentives and a higher learning curve. Institutional account access requires significant capital, and traders looking for simplified onboarding or bonus-driven incentives may find the experience less immediately appealing. In terms of user feedback, Markets.com currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.8 out of 5 based on 1,243 reviews, while BlackBull Markets holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.8 out of 5 based on 2,934 reviews at the time of recording. Ratings are subject to change, vary by region and account type, and should always be verified directly on Trustpilot for the most up-to-date information. Final takeaway: if your priority is a visually polished platform, broad market access, and incentive-driven onboarding, Markets.com delivers a convenient, all-in-one trading environment. If your focus is transparent, ECN pricing, execution speed, and professional-grade infrastructure without reliance on bonuses, BlackBull Markets is the more execution-focused choice. These platforms are not direct competitors. They solve different trading needs. If this breakdown helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest trading software comparisons, and click the link below to access the platform that actually fits how you trade, manage risk, and scale with confidence, not just what looks attractive on a promotional page.